Hello friends, welcome back to Netcode. Today we are going to create a Windows application using Visual Basics in Visual Studio 2019. So let's get started. Click on create a new project. So there will be lots of templates. So we need to select Windows Form Application. There will be two types of templates for Windows Form application. One is for C# and then one is Visual Basics. So with .NET. So there is also creating a Windows Form application with Python also, but it's not .NET. So we need to select Visual Basics. So this one with Windows Form app.net, and then there we should have Visual Basics. So click on next, and then we need to create our project name. I'm going to name it mail or webmail. So make sure it is this one is ticked. So click on create. Then I'm going to create mail, only mail. So I'm going to add nmail, or we can name it netmail. So create. So it's creating a project. So it's opening the file. So now we created a blank form. So we need to resize it. So now we should design how it looks like, and then code. So the text is our app name. So I'm going to name it netmail. So here it is, netmail. So and then toolbox. So now we are going to create first a label. Label 1. So this is the code. Properties. So the text is welcome, and then font, and then we need to select a font. I'm going to select Microsoft sans serif, then bold. So okay. So now it says welcome, and then it changed. The text changed. So now we need to create error provider. Error provider, if it's uh, anything error, it would be it we know we should show it's an error. So I'm going to do this later. So I'm going to add a rich text box. So we need the size of the box, and then text is welcome to blackmail. So net mail, so this is the text box. So now we need to here and then, but this doesn't look good. So now I'm going to create a button. Button. So welcome, and then we need to make the button say take a tower. So text take a tower. So click on this. So and then we need to save, and then we need to add form 1 dot form 1 dot navigate. So and then navigate up. So we need to navigate any web browser you like. First we need to add a web browser. So I'm going to add www https it's www dot netcanon.com. So I'm not going, so let's delete https. So now so that's it for today. See you on part 2.